Here's a 2014 Acura RDX. It provides the comfort and luxury of a large SUV with the moves and fuel economy of a small one. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual zone climate control, and V6 engine. Automobile adds, despite the increase in power and cylinder count, the new RDX is more fuel efficient than before. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.